Hey Chris, Paul here. I just wanted to show you where we store all your stuff. We found a ship to shore, which that begs a question. Do you want a new one? Do you want us to source a new one for you, or do you want to source that yourself? Here's where we stored some of the parts that we've replaced. Here's a piece of ceiling board, and here's some new ceiling board that we made. We made it, kind of in bulk, and then put it where we needed it. We have your cover stored in two of these lockers, this one and that one. We have all your Bimini hardware stored up here, your cut waters back here, your interiors here. Here are the ropes that we bought you. I think we mistook the gold that you wanted for a gold that I was familiar with, and I believe this is the gold that you wanted. I'm not sure this is actually available, but we'll find out. And then over here we have stored well, we've changed the spark plugs, and it looks like we've got some spark plugs to some stuff to sort out here. This is the only fire extinguisher I found. I don't find a brass fire extinguisher. We have some hoses that were used on your ventilators. We have your spark and throttle right here. We have your battery. We have your steering column on the floor right here. Back here we have that's trash right there. We have extra screws. We replace any screws that were original that were damaged or mismatched. We straighten all that out. We have some extra Aztec gold for your trailer, for touch up on your trailer. We have your lifting ring hardware here. We have I even found the manual, or we even saved the manual for your onboard charger, which we need to check that out. We've even got your valve and hose that was the offending hose. We've even got your license plate. And we saved your wine opener. We mark everything. The reason I'm showing you all this is I don't think we lost your fire extinguisher. We haven't lost anything yet at all for any of our clients. We mark everything, tape the screws to it. So we might be using new screws, but we know exactly what size screw was in there and what the count was. And then everything is, as you can see, everything is bagged generally with your name and what it went to. We also have the remaining chrome that needs to be installed over here. We have your Pioneer speakers, which they look a little dirty, but they actually checked out okay. They'll clean up fine. And we have your stereo and your power amp, and they're both toast. They don't do anything. Well, this one sort of puts out a signal, but we turned it all the way up and we didn't get anything out the speakers. So, and then the power amp, whatever input we had to the power amp couldn't do anything with it. So this is all the chrome that we've got left to install, and the fasteners for it. So anyway, I do all this video to show you I don't think we lost your fire extinguisher. I think you've already replaced it with a white marine fire extinguisher. We can source you a brass one if you'd like, but anyhow. Then while I was doing this, I came upon a depth sounder. So I don't know if you want to replace that or not. That was a question that we came up with. So anyhow, this is some of your flooring. We've got that out to, we haven't installed it yet, so that we can make sure the bilge is all cleaned out. We're running all the wiring and so forth that we need to run. And there's a shop battery that we're using right there. And you can see in your dash, there's a place over here for a stereo. So we're going to put a stereo back there. Otherwise, we got to try to figure out how to close that hole. So anyhow, that is, and I think we talked, that's where we're at right now. I think we talked about this already, that the top didn't really seal off. Gasoline could slosh out of that. And we also already talked about the straps needing to be replaced. So with your permission, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of the power amp and the stereo. What else do we find over here? We need to check the onboard charger and make sure that we're good there. And anyway, just wanted to give you an update on where we are in the progress of your project. And there are your paddles, which we hope you never need. So anyhow, thank you very much. Talk to you soon.